Basic Civics, Understanding Our Government and Rights, glowing star. Hey kids! Let's learn about how our government works and our important rights and responsibilities. Rainbow? Roles of government. The government helps us in many ways. It builds schools, school, hospitals, hospital, and roads, railway. The government also makes rules to keep us safe and happy. There are leaders like the President, Prime Minister, and Chief Ministers who make important decisions for our country, Africa. Public services. Public services are things like clean water, droplet, electricity, light bulb, and public transport, bus, that the government provides. These services make our lives easier and help our community grow. Civic responsibilities. As citizens, we have responsibilities too. We should follow rules, respect others, and help keep our surroundings clean. Broom. Voting in elections, ballot box, when we grow up is also a big responsibility. It helps choose our leaders. Our rights. We have rights that protect us. We have the right to education, graduation cap, the right to be safe, lock, and the right to express ourselves, microphone. These rights help us live freely and happily. Understanding civics helps us become good citizens and make our country a better place. Glowing star.